Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones.
And today we're going to take you on a leisurely drive down the boulevard here to see what it looks like in May. We're going to start here around 7th Avenue and go all the way down to the Pavilion.
And like I always tell you, sometimes it may pop up a shower, so hopefully we can get all the way down with no rain.
Because it has been raining.
Off and on. And I know a lot of you want to know the temperatures down here. It is 77 degrees and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So let's go take a drive.
So I guess we're going to be diverted because of the Strongman contest here in Myrtle Beach.
So I think it started on Friday and went until, I guess Sunday.
Well, yeah. See, look, he won a trophy, look.
Oh, yeah, he sure did.
He might have been the winner.
Might have did.
Might have been the ultimate
I bet that
champion.
is it. Oh, and while we're heading this way, let's see if I can stop right here. Maybe Beatbox can pan over there. Dirt down.
Let's check it out.
Okay.
So while we're coming through here, if you notice, every one of the zip line towers have been removed. So now there's more space for more events or larger events. But that house is still here. This is the house, or I guess that might be bathrooms. Not sure, but
That would be nice, because then you wouldn't have to go to the Porta Johns whenever they do have events up here. Oh, that's pretty nice.
okay, so we got diverted on this side, and we'll continue going down the boulevard.